If you become a registered representative director of a Korean corporation in name only, you are not free from legal responsibility. Even if you do not actually manage the company, several legal risks still apply. First, you cannot resign unilaterally. You need to appoint a new director and file the resignation together. If the real manager refuses, you may remain liable until legal procedures are complete. Second, if the company fails to pay employees, you may face criminal liability under labor law, even as a nominal director, unless you can prove you had no control. Third, if the company issues bad checks or fails to honor them, you could be held criminally liable under Korean law. The courts have found representative directors personally responsible in such cases. Fourth, if you hold more than half the company's shares, you may have secondary tax liability if the company fails to pay taxes. Fifth, if you signed as a guarantor for company debt, you are fully responsible for repayment if the company defaults. Lastly, if your inaction or delegation of duties causes damage, you may be liable for compensation under commercial law. Korean courts have ruled that even a passive director has fiduciary duties. In short, acting as a figurehead director is not legally safe. Be fully aware of these risks before accepting the position.